Ever found yourself juggling a constellation of different cryptocurrency wallets, wishing there was a simpler way to manage your diverse digital assets? What if I told you there's a wallet out there aiming to be your all-in-one solution? Today, we're diving deep into the Bifrost wallet and answering a crucial question for any serious crypto enthusiast. What coins can this versatile wallet actually support? Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly touch upon why a multi-chain wallet like Bifrost can be a game-changer. In the ever-expanding universe of blockchain technology, new and exciting cryptocurrencies are emerging all the time. Each blockchain often operates independently, with its own set of rules and, yes, its own native wallet. This can lead to a fragmented experience, forcing you to keep track of multiple private keys, seed phrases, and interfaces. A multi-chain wallet aims to streamline this process, offering a single point of access for a variety of digital assets. Bifrost Wallet has positioned itself as a non-custodial, multi-chain wallet focused on the Polkadot and Substrate ecosystems. This means it's built with interoperability and cross-chain functionality in mind. So, naturally, its support for coins within these ecosystems is quite robust. At its core, Bifrost Wallet offers comprehensive support for Polkadot, DOT, the network's native token. You can seamlessly send, receive, and stake your DOT directly within the wallet interface, participating in Polkadot's nominated proof-of-stake, NPS, consensus mechanism and earning rewards. But the Polkadot ecosystem is vast and interconnected, comprising numerous parachains, independent blockchains that connect to the main Polkadot relay chain. Bifrost Wallet shines here by supporting a wide array of these parachain tokens. You can expect to manage assets from popular parachains like Aquila, ACA, and its stablecoin AUSD, Moonbeam, GLMR, and its Ethereum-compatible environment, Parallel Finance, Para, Centrifuge, CFG, and many others. The list of supported parachain tokens is continuously growing as the Polkadot ecosystem expands, so it's always a good idea to check the latest official Bifrost Wallet documentation for the most up-to-date information. Beyond the immediate Polkadot ecosystem, Bifrost Wallet extends its reach to other significant blockchains. You'll find support for Kusama, KSM, Polkadot's Canary network, which serves as an experimental playground for new features and projects. Managing your KSM within Bifrost is just as straightforward as managing your DOT. Furthermore, Bifrost Wallet recognizes the importance of interoperability with other major blockchain networks. You can also manage Ethereum, ETH, and a wide range of ERC20 tokens within the Bifrost Wallet. This allows you to interact with the vast decentralized finance, DeFi, ecosystem built on Ethereum, all from the convenience of a single application. This integration typically involves bridging technologies, and Bifrost often simplifies this process for its users. It's also worth noting that Bifrost Wallet often incorporates support for newer and emerging tokens within its supported ecosystems relatively quickly. As new parachains launch on Polkadot or new tokens gain traction within the Ethereum space, Bifrost Wallet frequently adds support to cater to its users' evolving needs. To get the most accurate and current list of supported coins, the best practice is always to refer directly to the official Bifrost Wallet website or application. They will have the most up-to-date information regarding supported assets and any potential limitations or specific functionalities for each coin. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.